Today we're going to be working on first grade standard 1 OA2, which is solve word problems that call for addition of three whole numbers whose sum is less than or equal to 20. In kindergarten, students work to add and subtract two numbers within 10, but in first grade we move on to adding three numbers in quantities less than or equal to 20. So the problem here says Mrs. Smith has 4 oatmeal raisin cookies, 5 chocolate chip cookies, and 6 peanut butter cookies. How many cookies does Mrs. Smith have? So I'm going to start over here on the build it side of my CRA mat, and I've got some linking cubes here. If you don't have any linking cubes at home, you can use anything that you have, like dice, cubes, coins, anything you have laying around. So in order to represent the 4 oatmeal raisin cookies, I'm going to pull off 4 cubes right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got my 4 oatmeal raisin cookies. I'm going to represent the 5 chocolate chip cookies using yellow cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to represent the peanut butter cookies using green cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm trying to figure out how many cookies Mrs. Smith has all together. So all I need to do over here is count up all of her cookies. So I'm going to start over here and I'm going to count one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I've got 15 cookies all together. So now I'm going to move over to the draw it side of my CRA mat. And in order to draw it, I'm going to be using a double tens frame. So to draw our tens frames in first grade, we do a rectangle, we divide it down the middle, and then we draw 4 lines going down. And that splits it into a 10. I'm going to draw 2 of those tens frames here. So we've got 4 oatmeal raisin cookies. I'm going to draw in 4 colored in circles into my double tens frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. We also have 5 chocolate chip cookies. So in order to represent those and make them look a little bit different, I'm going to draw in circles that are not filled in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, Mrs. Smith has 6 peanut butter cookies. In order to make those ones look a little bit different, I'm going to do some striped dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I'm taking a look at this here, I know my first tens frame is completely filled in, so that's 10. And I've got 5 left over in my next tens frame. So together 10 and 5 make 15. Now over here on the right side, I'm going to write out the entire equation. Mrs. Smith has 4 oatmeal raisin cookies and 5 chocolate chip cookies and 6 peanut butter cookies. And I see something special here with this equation. 4 and 6 are friends of 10. That's what we called in first grade. That means that they add up together to make a 10. So I know that 4 and 6 go together to make 10. So I'm left with 10 plus 5, which is equal to 15. Now you can try a problem on your own. Corey has 5 red blocks, 8 blue blocks, and 4 green blocks. How many blocks does Corey have? Good luck.